is my desire to honor you, Lord, with all my heart I worship you. All I have within me, I give you praise. All that I adore